everybody, welcome. I'm Kim from Yesterday's Tomorrows, and today we're going to be upcycling a small wooden box that I purchased from Hobby Lobby last summer when it was on clearance, and I knew I could do something special with it for the holidays. So we're going to be making a candy cane sign that I'm going to use on a candy bar that I am putting together for the holidays. So I just put a red vintage color on there just to make this candy cane stencil pop. Now the candy cane stencil is from Essential Stencils, and the big trick, pixie spray everyone. That will help make your stenciling look like a pro did it. Just spray it on the back, press it on your piece of wood or whatever you'll be doing your stenciling on, and just rub it on. And what it does is it just makes your stencils come out so crisp and clean, no bleed through or anything like that. It's just amazing. So pixie spray, a good stencil, and a good stencil brush is what will give you a great stenciling effect. I am using for my paint Paint Couture in Arctic White. That's the color white that I'm using. And see, if you can see right here, I'm just taking my stencil brush in a swirling motion and just rubbing it all over my stencils. Now I'm doing a dry brush method. You don't want to add too much paint on your brush. Even if you have to go back over it twice, it's better to do 2 light coats than 1 thick coat. That will also help you not get bleed through. But that pixie spray will help you not get bleed through. You can find pixie spray at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or on Amazon. Now just doing the swirling motion. That's the kind of method that I like to use. Do what's best for you. And if you can see, I am just doing a dry brush, which means you take your paint, you offload it, and then you go and apply it on your stencil. So I'm just doing 1 coat here, and then I'm going to go back, and it's because if you can see, because it's a dark color red, you can see through it. And now here we go. I'm applying my 2nd coat. Once you apply your 2nd coat, you can lift your stencil off, and the big reveal, this is the part that I love the most. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and look how beautiful that comes out with the pixie spray. It's amazing. No bleed through. Beautiful, beautiful, clean lines. Now to make it even look fancier, I'm just going to take a little bit of yarn. This is a thicker yarn. I purchased this at Hobby Lobby. You can find it in the section where you get their fabrics. And it's just a big, thick piece of white yarn. And I'm just putting it around the edges just to make it look a little bit more fancy, almost to give it the effect of maybe having some snow around the edges. So I'm just putting it on with my glue gun. Be careful with the glue gun, especially when you're working with the fabric or the yarn. It can come through that and give you a little burn on your fingers, which when I was doing this, I did get on my fingers. Be careful when you're applying the yarn because it can seep through. Now I'm just taking this little teeny candlestick holder. Look, guys, it's from Hobby Lobby. It's in their Christmas section, 50% off, and it's like a mercury glass. I'm not painting it, anything. I'm just using it as. I am taking a little bit of my glue gun, and I'm taking my wood block and putting it right on top. Now I want my candy cane sign, my candy lane sign to look like a sign. Isn't that so cute? Now we got to make it look a little bit fancier. I'm just going to take a little bit of ribbon to put around the bottom. I'm going to be tying it in a knot, and then I'm going to add a little bit of faux peppermint candy to the middle of the bow. I'm just using a ribbon that sort of looks like a candy cane. I also got the ribbon from Hobby Lobby in their Christmas section. They also have that 50% off for the holidays. So I just tied it in a little bow, cutting off the little excess, and now I have the peppermint candy right there that I'm going to be putting right in the middle of the bow. And then you have a cute little candy cane sign I'm going to use mine in my candy station that I'm setting up for the holidays. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe, like. I would love to have you back again. And thank you so much for watching my video. My name is Kim from Yesterday's Tomorrows. Thank you very much for watching.